Hey there again. It's maintenance day as we continue. Had a little bit of an issue, and it's funny because I've looked on YouTube but I've not seen anything like this. We have a fantastic fan and the motor works, everything works, but the arm stopped going up. And what it seems like has happened is that there's a pin that connects the gear to the arm, and the pin has worked its way out. So I'm going to do a video on how to replace that pin, just in case it happens to you. So the pin that I'm talking about is right here. This is the little motor, and this connects up there, connects to the, and the motor turns this and it drives the dome up. Now this is the pin that has come loose. What I expect is when I pull this out, the screen out and this out, I'm probably going to find this pin. I can replace the pin if possible, but I'm probably just going to replace this whole mechanism. Sticking that right there. Make sure you close the toilet before you do this. Yeah, that's exact. You know what? Pretty cool, actually. I can see the pin hanging out. What I'm going to do is take this screen down, because I'm going to want to clean it anyhow. It's been a while since it's been cleaned, so go ahead and take this, and that gives me better access to everything. So this is what I got right now, so you can see what the issue is there. Take this fuse out for right now so this stops running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up top. I'm going to place this back in the rail that lifts up the dome, and then I'm going to get this into that hole and then come back down here and try to push that pin back in the hole. It actually looks like a very easy fix, but we'll see. One step forward, two steps back. Hey, so we're on top of the coach. I see exactly where that pin is. Up here. I think what I need to do first, though, okay, so the bar's up there, and I can see the pin. Just move this just right and slide that pin right up there. See if I can get a good shot for y'all. That's what I'm looking at. Here's the motor. See that hole there? That's where the pin is. So right there. I'm gonna actually use the part they gave me to press up against that and slide it in that hole. And it fit right in there. That's great. All right, so now just got to replace this bad boy. Broken. That's okay. It's bad. All right, let's put the fuse in and see if this works. There it goes. Working like a charm. Look at that. We're going to put all the screws back, and it's working. So that's how you replace on the Fan-Tastic Fan the dome arm. It's called the dome lift arm. A little trick here kind of helped me. After I turned the fan on, it actually sucked in the screen to hold it in place. So I could put the screws back in. Pretty nifty deal. We love this fan. One of the things we love about the Fan-Tastic Fan is that when it rains outside, it will automatically shut. So which means we can, if we needed to leave our dog in here for some reason, we can leave air running. Well, that about does it. Hope that helps you. That was kind of a, I thought it was going to be a lot more difficult than it was. But if your arm doesn't go up, it probably is a pin. I didn't even need to buy that whole piece there, but now I've got an extra one in case it does break out. By the way, the piece that I bought there for this, they actually carried the arm and the whole component there. It was only $20. I got it from Panther Products. Really good company. They shipped it out to us. We were not home, so they shipped it where we were going to be. They worked with us real well, and it's like I said, $20. Not bad.